Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to chat with AliExpress customer service phone number in USA. Unfortunately, AliExpress doesn't have a public customer service phone number, so you cannot simply phone them. Instead, you have to use their in-app chat. So let me show you how to do it. Open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom side of the screen go to your account, and here you want to find Help Center button that looks like headphones icon, and here you can see popular solutions, frequently asked questions, and at the bottom you see a red button that is online service button, and here you can write your question, then send it and wait for their response. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.